Another week has come and gone here at the shop, and same with projects. Now that we have finally wrapped up that FLD, we're on to working on truck 31. It's a Freightliner Classic XL. Sustained a pretty good bit of hood damage. So we're gonna go ahead and paint up the replacement hood. So this is what it looks like coming from the factory. This is an aftermarket hood, but it's not bad. A couple of scratches. I had to do a little bit of repair work too, but all in all, it's a good base to start. So we're gonna go ahead, get this painted up bright red, and then either tomorrow or a day or so down the road, we'll come back and paint the fenders black. Painting the red on truck 31. Very, very happy with how this turned out. with the fender now sanded with 600. Any of the glossy parts have been scuffed with a Scotch-Brite. I don't think we'll have any issues with paint adhesion. Finished up masking the hood, wiped the fenders down a couple times with wax and grease remover, as well as a tack rag, and we are ready to start mixing and then spraying paint. This isn't how I would typically mask this up. I would back tape the fenders, the wheel arches, everything, drape the plastic over, have the plastic hit the floor down there and stick to the water. Then cut everything out. That keeps the dust from coming back and the overspray from hitting the paint. Fortunately, I was having a little bit of trouble getting the plastic to reach the floor, so we ended up doing it this way. We just masked off the painted area, taped everything all the way around. That way no overspray can get back into the red paint. You can see the tape edge here in the back. Like I said, not ideal, but it'll suffice. Thing over here. There's virtually pretty much no orange peel in that, and I'm content with that.